Hello everyone and welcome to another FutureBook yearbook tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use Pixami's Save My Template feature to create customized student and grad portrait layouts. This method is perfect if you want more control over your design instead of using Pixami's default portrait settings. It's a huge time saver and makes your pages look consistent and professional throughout your yearbook. We're going to jump right in. Once you've imported your images into Pixami, go ahead and check into a page where you want to start designing your layout. The key to this technique is that you only need to design one portrait spread. On the left side toolbar, select Portraits, and then select Portrait Wizard. From here, drag over the desired grade folder you'd like to work with, and then select Portrait Wizard. Ideally, when you get to this stage, you already have an idea of how many rows and columns your design is going to need, so go ahead and make those changes now. For the rest of the settings, we're going to ignore because again, we are customizing everything on our page. So go ahead and select your page and select Apply to Page to finish flowing in your portraits. When you're done, make sure you click OK. Alright, now we want to go ahead and unlock all the content on our spread. By default, Pixami automatically locks the student portraits and names, which is helpful in most cases to prevent any accidental changes, but since we're customizing our layout, we'll need to unlock everything so we can move and adjust the content freely. We're going to start by dragging over the content on our spread to select everything, and then clicking on the down arrow key that says More, we're just going to go ahead and select Unlock. Now that everything is unlocked, you can move and adjust and resize your content however you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and start designing my customized grad portrait layout from here. So I've just finished creating my customized portrait layout, and what's really great about Pixami is that you can really play around with different settings to create fun and unique designs. A couple of quick things you can do is change the shape of the image or add a color border to your portraits. To do that, you can select your image and go up to Borders to open up your Borders and Edges panel. From here, just to show you, I'm going to select the square with the rounded edges, and I'm just going to thicken up the border so you can see. I'm going to quickly change the color and then click OK. And what's great is I can apply these settings to all the images on the page. So if I select this box and then click Done, you can see that Pixami automatically applied the settings to all the images on the page. You can also apply some fun photo effects by selecting your image, going up to Borders, and then clicking Edges. And Pixami here has a couple of options you can play around with. So just to show you, I'm going to select the film strip here, and you'll get to see a little preview of what that image is going to look like. And again, you can apply these settings to all the images on your page, or if you don't want to and you want to just apply these settings to one image, you can click Done. Another great time saver is using the multi-select and duplicate option. For example, I can select all my frames by holding down Command, and then with the toolbar shown above, I have the option to now duplicate. So from here, I can move it over to the other side, and then if I select the Align key, I can also make sure that this is aligned to the center of my page. The only problem here though is I will need to make sure that I layer everything and send it to the back. Before we save our template, it's important to double check that you're happy with all your adjustments. Once everything looks the way you'd like, go up to the top toolbar and select this star icon here that says Save Template. You can also find this option on the left side toolbar under My Templates, again Save Template. From there, select your desired settings and make sure to save it to a folder where you'll be able to easily find it later. Once everything's set, go ahead and click Save. From here, you'll get a notification saying that your design has been published as a new layout in your Save Layouts tab. We're just going to go ahead and click OK. From here, select the folder that you saved your template in, and from here, all you need to do is simply drag and drop your layout to your page. And that's it! You've now created and saved your own custom portrait layout in Pixami using the Save My Template feature. This will make the rest of your portrait pages so much quicker to build. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the other FutureBook yearbook tutorials for more helpful tips.